Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and
What
today we
is
got
popping?
something super exciting.
Indeed.
Gaurav, tell me what we're doing.
We're gonna check out a lot of apps. The Play Store on the Android system have a lot of apps, right? Unlike the iOS store, there's less regulation here, and a lot of weird apps.
Exactly. So I know it's
Like a lot.
going to be a lot of apps, and you guys might not have the time to go search through all of them. So we took the
taken the
trouble for
time
you, and
and
we have
trouble.
found the top 10 apps you guys have to have. All right. So let's get started.
My name is Jeff. I would say
These-
have to have, but
Yeah, these are some of the most highly rated apps, and they're really amazing. So the first one, my personal favorite, as during the lockdown you can't go out for your haircut, is the scissors app. Okay, so it's pretty simple. I mean, there's a lot of customizations available. So Gaurav, which is your favorite color?
cyan.
Okay, tell.
I thought there's a lot of customization.
Okay, tell me.
available.
Okay, which color does cyan resemble? Blue. Blue.
Wow, guys,
It's
my
magic.
favorite color.
The
My
favorite color,
color.
guys. So you have a lot of options. You got red, you got green, you got blue, you got all the LGBT colors. All right. So okay, guys. Oh no. Okay, so how this app works is first choose your favorite color,
Okay.
and
I
then
chose my favorite
just
color.
one tap. It's cut, man. It's that simple,
It doesn't cut anything. That is the whole.
dude.
point.
It cuts.
It.
Okay, you know.
I'm in need of a haircut, so please, Ali, demonstrate.
Okay, guys. So I guess this is not the barber variety of the thing. It's more suited for cutting paper, not
okay.
hair, cause you know.
No, let's try it out. Let's try it out then.
All right, we'll get Rohan and we'll check this out.
All right.
Let's be back. Okay, Gaurav. So you claim that this scissors doesn't work, so I'm going to prove it. Rohan's even recording it using his camera to ensure that it works. All right.
Please, cut it.
I think it got cut.
Nothing. How much does that cost?
Dude, what
It
happened?
doesn't cut hair, doesn't cut paper, but it cuts tripods.
Don't question that. Okay, guys. So now we're done with that, and I think you know how that works. We're off to the second.
Please tell me all apps are not like this.
Dude, just the beginning. It just keeps getting better and better, just like Attack on Titan. The next app is a virtual fan.
Please tell me when you
this app.
said virtual fan, it uses the device fan or like it's not on the GIF or something.
So this is how it is. So it's whoa! This is the fan app. Okay. So how it works is it has three different options: speed 1, speed 2, and I don't think you guys can guess the third one.
Speed 3?
Exactly, man. Third speed.
I wouldn't
So-
have guessed it.
So 1, and it comes with realistic sound technology. So it uses Dolby speakers and beats.
I'm sure it had a lot of budget.
Yeah, Dr. Dre actually was the man behind this app.
It's Dr. Dre.
And then the second speed, and the third speed, I got to warn you, it gets really fast. So use it only when you're really in need and not always. Yeah. So, are you feeling anything?
I hate you.
Okay, guys. So let's try this out.
Hey guys, let us pay $2 for a gift. I'm sure that's fun.
Okay, guys. I'm going to show you
It
how
does
it actually
not
works.
work. It does not work. I need
Alright,
to try it on
come,
myself.
let's
Alright, let's try it on Rohan.
Rohan. What are you reading?
You're reading.
You're reading, right?
Okay. Yeah, he's reading, man. He's reading.
He's reading.
Man's
It's
reading.
not getting his way. Okay, so we just want to try this app out. It's called a fan. You know how hot it is, right? So I'm just going to put one speed and tell me if you feel good. Okay?
That was actually.
Yeah, it's good, right? You can feel.
So you're telling me it actually worked?
Yeah, of course.
You can feel the air, right? Dude, you guys don't know. Okay, I'm going to put it to 2 speed.
Whoa. That's
Is it alright? Okay. Oh, just come on, man. It's fine. Okay. The third speed I've heard we should not use it much, but I'm just going to click it and hope nothing happens. So, welcome to the third app. This app is my all-time favorite, and as you guys know, all of you love gymming, and now due to the lockdown, all the gyms are closed, so you need to get that calorie burnt. So this is what I recommend, alright? So it's called the treadmill app. So this is specifically designed for you to lose weight and burn those calories. So how it works is start and then use your fingers.
This has to be a joke.
Dude, okay, and as you guys
Are
can
you
see,
pranking me this video? Is there something else going
no,
on?
no,
I don't
no,
know.
guy, dude, I already burnt one whole calorie. I mean,
Super calorie.
I burnt a calorie, so I guess I can go order that pizza right now.
So your fingers going at 27 minus 27 s. What even is that unit of measurement? I don't even know. But that's apparently the speed.
The speed is SMS. What is second meter per
Semi-meter?
second? Semi-meter per second. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so this app actually, it is. I don't know how to explain myself out of the unit of speed, but at least they got the distance right.
So you've traveled 2.4 meters worth of.
2.4 meters worth of distance on using my two fingers, and I've burnt 2 calories. And I think I'm really tired, and I think that's.
2 whole calories.
Yeah, I think we're done for the day on that one.
Alright, you can go to a gym. No one needs to invest in stuff like this. It's not necessary.
How much does your gym cost, and how much does this app cost?
My gym costs okay, that's 15, but even though this is 2, gym is way more valuable.
Dude, you can do this as soon as you get out of bed.
Oh.
And the main advantage, once you eat food, you don't need to wait before you do this. You know, you can just do this. So it works.
And you're still
I'm not
very
taking
fat.
any more questions, guys. I'm not taking any more questions. Okay, guys. So this next app is called Drink Beer.
Did you really need me for this video, Andy? Did you really need me?
Dude, I'm gonna test this out on you. So how this works is you want a beer. It's a hot day. You're just thirsty. Maybe you like beer. I don't, but if this is your cup of tea, so you can take this beer, fill it up, and then just. And I drank, and I want to refill, guys. It's just that simple.
So it's free. So you're saying it's free beer?
It's free beer. You can just enjoy. Hey Rohan, I think you might want this. Just no, you want it? Yeah. Yeah, take it, drink it.
He's a miner!
So let's move on to the next step, which is when will I die? We spread positivity, guys, in this channel.
I don't like you. Just like in general.
Okay, let's just start.
Oh, we might have to blur this out. Alright, what's happened? I know Adi's choosing a photo. You probably can't see it because there's a lot of personal stuff over there. But yeah.
No, wait.
Now let's find out when you're gonna die.
What's
Hopefully
going on?
soon. What?
Alright, so I'm gonna die in what? 21?
That makes
70 years from now, I'm 90. Okay, I'm
Makes
happy.
sense. You know.
Okay, guys, so we're going to learn why I died. The app couldn't predict Gaurav's death because of some technical difficulties, but I'm the real guy over here. Because maybe he's not going to die. Okay, so let's just see why. You thought you can walk on. If you think you can walk off the cliff, how can I die if I walk on a cliff? You got to walk off a cliff to die.
Yeah, the app says the right stuff, right? These apps you install, I hope you're happy with. That you
Dude, these are
wasted time.
complete legit. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh my god, I have a trip planned to Nandi Hills in 2092, man. I got to cancel the trip right
You
now.
plan it now?
Dude, you know how bookings can get. I'm going to
Yeah.
Nandi Hills in 2092. I planned it just day before yesterday with CK and
So you get like better discount, better prices.
maybe CK's. God knows, man.
CK pushes you off.
I want to cancel this trip right now. CK! This next app we're going to review is my personal favorite app, and I can guarantee you, once I show this gem, you're all going to use it, alright? So this app is very much needed for us. No, actually not really, but
You don't. What is this app, Adi?
guy, I don't know if you're ready to. Okay, it's called, it has a weird name, okay, but
Tell me the name first before you show it.
it's called Fake Girlfriend. No, it's going to call
Oh,
Fake
no.
Chat. Okay, guys, so this app is the most amazing app which you're going to use. So how it happens is, this app promises me a fake girlfriend, a real girlfriend, but she's actually fake. So let me just message her and see what happens.
Hey man, do you need help? Like this is not you, man.
Dude, she is my real. She's going to reply. Let's just wait.
No, you're being way too desperate. Please tell me this is not how you text actual girls. No wonder you're single. God damn, your
Dude,
game's so
calm
bad.
down, guys. Let's just go ahead and let's just wait for my fake girlfriend to reply. Okay, I guess she's not replying. Wait, why does this have two arrow? What does? Oh, okay. So this app you can text
Yourself.
yourself. So
It is amazing if you have multiple personality disorder.
honestly, it's amazing for bipolar people to communicate with each other. So
With
how this
themselves.
works is you can just text "I love you too." Okay, guys, I forgot.
They
to
live
spell
you
it.
too.
Okay, yeah, they live in me too. Okay, so I'm texting myself, but hey Rohan, check out my girlfriend, man. She loves me too.
That's nice.
See, it's that easy to fool people, guys. So this app is amazing. It's a must install.
Send me the link.
Oh yeah, man. Calm down, Ron. You're gonna get the link. Next app we're gonna review is really helpful. So the other day, I had to get into the pool, but then the shower was not available. The one that you take before you get into the pool. So then what did I do? I just reached into my phone, which I keep it on me while I swim, and I just opened this app. It's called the Shower Simulator. You just click this button, and it starts showering. I mean, it's completely legit, but as you guys can see, it's very realistic and it has a lot of support from the online community, right? So let's just check out what they have to say about the shower app. So, as you guys can see, Shower Simulator will save your life.
That's vague.
It's going to save our lives because you know what happens if we don't take shower.
Yeah.
And then it's with ultra realistic physics engine, you will really feel the cool water on your wonderful skin.
So this is how I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna live till 106 years, am I? You're gonna end up killing me with
No,
this.
guys, everything is true. This app really does use ultra realistic physics engine. As you guys can see, just how accurate the physics is. As you can see, the droplets are forming above the. Man, okay, guys. So that brings us to the end. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Let us know down in the comment which app you downloaded immediately and it's changed your life. For me, it's personally the shower, and the hotometer and the fake chat. The treadmill was pretty fun. The scissors and virtual fan and the beer. Okay, guys, I love it all. Gaurav, which did you love the most?
The outro was my favorite part.
The outro is our favorite part. So I guess we just gotta roll the outro now.
But we don't have outro.
Okay, guys. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and for more entertaining content. So
Comment what you want us to do next time and we'll see you. Bye!